Assalamualaikum student. Now, in the first part of exercise 1B, in first three questions 1 to 3, we deal with discount percentage. Okay. Now we comes to taxation. So in the same exercise 1B, from question number 4, 5, and 6, it is related to taxation. So we have to solve these sums. First, we comes to question number 4. Please concentrate on the question. Microwave oven cost $270 before GST. Okay. What is GST? Yes, goods services tax. So GST is 7%. Find the total number of money he has to pay for microwave oven. Okay. What is the actual cost of microwave oven? Look at the question. What is the actual cost of microwave oven? It is $270. And what is the percentage of GST? It is 7%. And which thing we have to find out? We have to find out total number of bill he has to pay for buying this microwave oven. Clear? So we comes to the detail. Cost price, yes, it is 270. Percentage, the GST, it is equal to 7%. So we comes to, because we have to find the amount he has to pay. So GST payable, it is equal to which formula we have to use? Please concentrate on this formula. It helps us in solving the question. Percentage discount multiplied by CP. CP stands for cost price. Very easy formula. GST payable is equal to percentage discount multiplied by cost price. Okay. So GST percentage is equal to 7% multiplied by 270, and after solving we will get 18.90. This is GST payable. If cost price is 270 and GST is 7%, we use this formula. Percentage this GST multiplied by CP. After solving we get $18.90. Clear? Now we have to find total payable amount. Actual cost price is 270 and the tax he has to pay is 18.90. So we have to, in cost price, we have to add this tax. So it becomes 270 plus 18.90 and total bill he has to pay is 288.90. Is it clear? Suppose in real life also you have to buy anything, and if GST is 7%, so how you have to find total payable amount? Just you have to multiply cost price with that GST, okay, and then you have to get the GST payable, the amount which you have to pay as a tax. Then you have to add in the cost price. So this is your total payable amount. Clear? Comes to the next. Yeah. In question number 5, we are using two different methods. Okay. One is unity method, which you have already learned in class 4 and 5. And the second one is again very much easier method. It is related to formula. So it depends upon you. Either of any method you can use. Okay. So first, question number 5. An electronic gadget is sold for $1,391, inclusive of 7% GST. In this question, 7% GST is included. So you have to find the market price of this gadget. Clear? They give you the sold price. What is the sold price? 1,391. And in this sold price, GST is also included. And actually, you have to find the market price. Okay. So first thing, very easy. We have to write the information. Selling price, that is 1,391, and then the percentage discount, percentage GST, that goods and services tax, that is 7%. Clear? So 7% is included. That suppose if any object is of 100 rupees, and if GST is 7%, this means we have to add this 7 in that 100. So 100 plus 7, it becomes 107. Clear? So we have to use the unity method. First, you have to write 107% of market price, and it is equal to this. The given information which is given in the question. Always remember, whenever they said 7% of GST, this means if that ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑफ 100 रुपीज, अगर वो चीज 100 रुपीज की है तो इसका मतलब 7 को उसके अंदर ऐड करना है, तो वो चीज क्या बन जाएगी 107। क्लियर। अब वो जो है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट, उसकी क्या प्राइस है 1391। सो इन according to this 7% we have to use the formula of unity. We have to use unity method. First you have to write 107% of market price, it is equal to 1391. It is already given in the question. If market price is 7%, so we have to add 100 plus 7, and so we have to write 107% of market price is equal to 1391. This is the given information. Then as we call it unity method, so we have to find it according to 1. So if it is equal to 1%, very easy example, suppose if you bought 10 samosas of piece 200, okay, अगर आपने 10 samosas 200 के लिए, so what is the cost of 5 samosas? Again look here, 10 samosas cost rupees 200. So what is the cost of 5 samosas? So initially what should you have to do? You have to find the price of 1 samosa. So you have to divide 200 by 10, it becomes 20, and then simply you have to multiply it by 5. Clear? Same here. First you have to find the 1. For finding the 1, what shall you do? You have to divide this 1391 with 107. Clear? And after that, you have to find 100% of market price. Okay? So 1391 divided by 107. And for this percentage, you have to multiply it by 100. So it is equal to 1300. Clear? Now we come to this is called unity method, which you have already done in 4th and 5th class. Now we come to the second method. It is again very much easier. We use this formula method in class 7 also. So now again we have to use it here. Selling price over percentage discount multiplied by 100. What is its formula? Selling price. What is the selling price? 1391 divided by percentage discount. What is percentage discount? 7. This means if any object is of 100, 7% means you have to add this 7 in 100. So it becomes 107. And you have to multiply it because it by 100. Okay? So whenever selling price is given, percentage GST given, how you have to find the market price? Simply selling price over percentage GST multiplied by 100. This is formula. By using this formula, you will get your answer. Clear? Now we come to the next question. Okay. Here they are saying calculate income tax payable given chargeable income. Okay. This income is chargeable income, and which income you have to calculate? You have to calculate income tax. Okay. So in the first place, and according to the given table which is given on book pay number and table number 1.1. Okay. So in the A part, they have given us $25,400. Okay. In that table, they gave us the value. And according to this, that income tax rate, we have to use it here. So according to the given table, they told us that first 20,000, there will be no tax. Okay. First 20,000 income is tax-free. Okay. Next 5,000, because we have total 25,400. So 20,000 is tax-free. So how many income is left over from this 20,000? So simply subtract 25,400 minus 20,000, it becomes 5,400. So for this tax rate is 2%. 2% means 2 by 100. So we have to multiply 2 by 100 with this amount, that is 5,400. Why we have to multiply 2% with this? Because the first initial $20,000 is tax-free. Okay. So it is equal to 108. So total tax payable amount is $108. Is it clear? Because for the first 20,000 we have no tax, so it is tax free. No tax mean zero tax. So for the next 5,400 we have to pay that tax. And how we have to pay this tax? Simply this 2% is given in that table. So 2% multiplied by the 5,400, which is the remaining amount. And after solving, we will get 108. This is payable tax. Okay. Now comes to move towards the next. Okay, this is second part. Again, they have given us the amount that is 38,400. So according to the given table, they had given us that for that, if you have the amount equals to 30,000, you have to pay tax $200. This is a fixed tax. So for 30,000, you have to pay $200. Clear? And for the next, it is equal to 38,400. For 30,000, you will pay 200. So how much amount is left over? It is 8,400. And for 8,400, the tax rate is this. So you have, after solving this, you will get this 294. Clear? And what is the total taxable amount? First, you have to write this, the amount of tax which you have to, fixed tax which you have to pay for the 30,000, that is 200. And then you have to write the remaining, that is 294. We have to add these two and we will get this amount that is equal to 494. Clear? Now we come to the next part. Again, we have to use the table 1.1 according to this table. And that table is given in your book, beta. And the first 40,000 you have to pay 550. This is the fixed tax. If you have amount equals to 72,000, so for first 40,000 you have to pay 550 income tax. And for the next, okay, how we have to find the next, I will tell you. Look here. Look here, I will tell you how you have to find. Look here, 72,000. Then you have to subtract how much money you have to subtract. Look here, you have to subtract this 40,000. So it's equal to 3,200. Is it clear? So if total amount is 72,000, so first 40,000 we have to pay the fixed tax, that is equal to 550, and for the remaining 32,000 you have to pay according to 7% of this 32,000. So 7% means 7 by 100, and after solving we will get 2,240. For the remaining amount we have to pay 2,240, and for the first 40,000 you have to pay 550. So what is the total tax payable income? It is equal to, we have to add these two, 550 plus this 2,240, and the total tax payable income is 2,790. Is it clear? I think so. The calculation is so much easier, and I think so. You have no confusion at all. Very good then. Okay, now we comes to the last part. Okay, here they gave us unit 10,000 million, 10 million. They give us 10 million, 105 million, 105,000. Okay, so according to table, or in Pakistan way, you can say unit 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. They give you 1 lakh 5,000, or you can say 105,000. Okay, internationally you can't use lakh, you can use 100,000. Okay, so according to the table given, for the first 80,000 you have to pay the fixed tax, that is 3,350. Okay, for the first 80,000. Again we have to subtract. Look here, we have to subtract 105,000. You have to subtract this 80,000, which you have to pay the fixed tax. Okay, and it's equals to 25,000. Okay, look here, they are saying for the first 80,000, okay, for the first 80,000 you have to pay 3,350 for the remaining 25,000. How this remaining amount will come? Look here. From the total, you will subtract it, this 80,000, you will get this 25,000. Okay. And what is the rate of that tax? 115%. This means 115 divided by 100 multiplied by 25,000. After solving, you will get this. Is it clear? Clear to all? Very well done. If it is clear, this means the second portion of exercise one, the first three questions we have to solve. Yes, we have to solve related to discount. And for these three questions, question number 4, 5, 6, we have to relate it according to income tax or taxable income. Clear? This is all for today.